Good morning, everyone. So today we will come to the new part for the introduction to quantum computing and programming. So I hope after today's lesson we can learn how to do some simple quantum programming. Okay, first time before you go to the details, so I will introduce about the platform very famous and very convenient for you to do some quantum programming. It's called the Colab, and this comes from the Google. It's one of very convenient the tool. Okay, so we will go step by step, and I hope you can got the point. First, you will see the Colab is a kind of web-based the programming the environment. So it's run the kind of Python programming. So I think if you're familiar with the Python or the AI, or some are currently a lot of the software based on the Python, that is very convenient for you, and maybe you can quickly follow. Of course, before you can run the quantum and try to do some simple quantum computing, so you need to import about the Qiskit package first to run. Okay, so if you see in the screen, that is the first the screen from the Colab. So and before we go to the code of quantum programming, so we need to install, and so I will show you directly in the web. Okay, here is a kind of direct the first screen from the Colab, and over here they already introduced some of the features. Some of the features for the Colab, and to start you can click to this file and click new. And okay, here we wait a little bit, and after this one is successful. Over here you can paste the commands and paste the code over here to run. So okay, in our PPT we have two commands very important: pip install Qiskit and pip install the Qiskit visualization. So you can copy or you can install here. So you can click here and wait a little bit. And you see the Google platform will be trying to download and install the Qiskit. If you run this kind of system in a laptop, maybe it costs a little bit energy. So so try pattern. Okay, after you successful this step, you can click one more. And you see we will have a new comment, right? And you can see in our Qiskit visualization. So you can install this one to make sure in the future you can visualize the code. Okay, here you can go. This one is pip install Qiskit visualization. And after that you click run. Okay, if you see this kind of successful have this command successfully built, successful install, and you see if you see this icon, icon, this is indicate we are already successfully, so we do not need to wait. So you can click this one and start. Okay, from now you can start code from this kind of platform. So okay, go back. We want to make a kind of simple about the hello world. So this is the hello world, the program, and you can copy and code. And I will explain a little bit before we go to the detail. first we can create about the you know the 2-qubit quantum circuit, and before we initial the value for the quantum qubit state, we need to add about the Hadamard, the gate to the qubit to make sure we can initial the value. And after that, we initial the value in this command qc.cx. This initial the value for 2 qubit, and the next one we will measure the qubit 0 and qubit 1 and to see the state for this kind of qubit. And the last one we will draw about the matplotlib, matplotlib, or to visualize how the qubit state and how the qubit structure look. Okay, we will try to do quickly. So, okay, it's a very important thing. Very important thing. Before you can copy code, I suggest you can copy the Hello World code to the Notepad Notepad tool in the window, because if you copy directly from the slide, it's not good, because it's when we insert some the format from the PPT or PowerPoint, so you cannot paste the code over here. But if you you separate the code like this, maybe we will provide you about this is raw code, so you can copy. You cannot copy code directly over here. So after you have this kind of code, you can click run and see. And see over here, you can see visualization for the to the qubit, the programming, and the two classical the bit 1, 0, and 1. This qubit, this is one from the the qubit 1, 0 and qubit 1, and this is kind of classical state 0 and 1. And this one in the the complex vector, complex vector. Okay, and this is the result after you finish the Hello World, the program. And I hope you can go through this part is successfully. And I think this is kind of the first thing. If you run to this step, that means you already successful to run the Colab and try to join the Hello World. Okay, thank you everyone.